We have just acquired this absolutely stunning low mileage Nissan 350Z convertible with a lot of upgraded options from the factory. It's only done 45,246 miles. I will repeat that, 45,246 miles. Comprehensive full service history, just been MOT'd and serviced. As you can see, it's got the raised alloy wheels with the Brembo brakes. It's in gleaming black. It's got an upgraded exhaust system which sounds absolutely fantastic. Got park distance control on the back. It's got full leather seats. They are heated seats as well. It's got the factory satellite navigation, aircon, climate control, cruise control. It is in fantastic condition for its age. These are fast becoming a very rare appreciating classic. Look at what the old 350Zs are fetching now, and you know where I'm coming from. Sounds absolutely awesome, drives awesome and looks great. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.